Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create another account on Discord. Having a second account can be useful for managing different communities, testing features, or keeping personal and work accounts separate. We will walk you through the whole process step by step. Let's get started. On your Discord dashboard, the first thing we need to do is sign out. Let's open another tab. To add another account, click your profile logo in the lower left part of the screen. Click it and select Switch Account or choose Manage Account. From here, we can add another account. Just click here and sign in with a passkey or use your password. We can also go to Settings to do this. In Settings, we scroll down to the bottom and click Log Out so we can create a new account. On this screen, we just need to register. Click the email field and enter the email you want to use. Then enter your display name and username and set a password. Add your birthday and year, and check the optional box if needed. Click Create Account once everything is filled in. Complete the CAPTCHA if there is one, then verify your account. Once verified, you will see your new account. That's it. We have successfully created another Discord account. Now we can easily switch between accounts whenever needed.